Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing well and studies are going in full flow. A very quick update, a quick video for a particular question in May 2021 where I've been receiving a lot of queries from students. I thought I'll give a very quick clarification, not taking a lot of time before your exams. I'm not going to solve it in full. I'm just addressing that one particular query. If you have referred this question on Index 19 in the May 2021 revisionary test papers, question number 18. So you can pause the video and read the entire question if you want to, and then come back to this stage. The most common query over here is, well, if sir, when we refer the solution, at certain places there is 10.25 taken, at certain places there is 10 taken. What is that? Why is 10 taken at some place? Why is 10.25 taken? Well, the reason over here is the compounding over here is given to happen half yearly, and institute is going into your foundation and inter-CA level understanding of time value. The normal interest rate is 10% per annum, and the effective rate for 12 months is based on the following data. So you have been given the data for the entire 12 months, which effectively comes to 10%. So sir, 10.25%. So sir, kya le? Do we take 10% or do we take 10.25%? It is the same. How is it the same? Well, if you take the compound interest formula is A is equal to P into 1 plus R. This is half yearly compounding, so divided by 2 and then raised to 2 into 1, but raised to 2. So therefore, if I want to find the value of 1 rupee today at the start of the year, let us say that is on 1st of April 2010, what is the value of 1 rupee today on 31st March 11? So we will say if I were to invest 1 rupee now, that will become 1 plus 0.10, that is 10% half yearly compounded divided by 2 raised to 2. So if I do this working, I should get 1.1025. So the effective rate calculations that you do that apply over here. So on 1st of April 2010, if I invest 1 rupee, that will become on 31st March 2011, that will actually become 1.1025. That is, it will give a return of 0.1025, that is 10.25% effectively per annum, which means if there is money that is there with you for the entire year. So for example, in a solution, 10 lakh rupees is there with you for the entire year. So on your calculators, if you add 10 lakhs plus 10%, that is not going to do half yearly compounding. That is 10% flat, assuming annual compounding. So ये 10 lakh के ऊपर इंस्टीट्यूट ने 10.25% लिया हुआ है for a period of 12 months. On the other hand, there has been some contributions and some benefits. I think you have received contributions worth 4,90,000 and paid benefits worth 1,90,000, and as a result you have received a net contribution of 3 lakhs if I'm not wrong on, so this is for 12 months. I'm just doing this in rough for the interest of time. This is into 12 by 12. Apart from that, the net, I'm sorry, my connector is not working properly. So I hope you followed. 10 lakhs into 10.25% into 12 by 12. Apart from that, you have another 3 lakhs. 3 lakhs is the net difference between the two into, यहाँ पे sir 10% कहाँ से आया? Because there is no compounding effect. If it is a 6 monthly compounding, then what you have invested on 1st of April up to 30th September, the interest for the first 6 months gets added to the principal, and then the next 6 months the interest, the principal value would be the interest for the first 6 months plus the principal. On the other hand, if you have received net 3 lakhs on 30th September, you are going to earn on that only 10% per annum, that is divided by 2, that is 5% for the last 6 months. Sir, तो 10.25 पहले क्यों आया? Because there is a half yearly compounding. 10 lakhs invested at the beginning, 6 months का interest आया, got added to the principal another 6 months, and then effectively 10.25%. In this case, there is no compounding, and as a result, this is going to be at the rate 10%. It's a little harsh on you, I would say, to test in Index 19 such a mathematical concept. But what is there is there. So this is the reason why they have taken the expected return at 10%. I hope I've been able to address your query and not really create more confusion. Apart from that, other workings of Index 19 are fairly easy in this question and you should be able to follow. Okay. So thank you very much for your time and take care. Good luck. Bye-bye.